In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a divider in a Mailchimp email. A divider is a simple design element that does a lot of heavy lifting. It separates sections, improves readability, and gives your message a cleaner, more professional look. Let's walk through the exact steps to add one to your email and dial in the settings so it matches your brand and layout. Start by opening your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns area. This is where all of your email projects live, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or sent. Find the campaign that contains the email you want to edit. Open it, then choose Design Email to launch the email editor. You'll see your template or existing content in the main area and the editing tools on the side. Look at the Content Blocks panel, which may appear on the right or left depending on your layout. Scroll until you see the divider block. It usually looks like a simple horizontal line icon. When you've found it, drag the divider block into your email. Position it exactly where you want a visual break, above a new section, between a header and body text, or just before your call to action. As you drag, you'll see placement guides that help you drop it precisely. Click the divider line you just placed to open its settings. This is where you make it match your email's look and feel. First, choose the line style. Solid works well for a clean, minimalist separation. Dashed can feel lighter or more playful, and it's useful if you want a softer break that doesn't dominate the layout. Next, adjust the thickness. A thinner line keeps the focus on your content, while a thicker line creates a stronger visual pause. Then pick a color. For consistency, use a brand color or a neutral shade that complements your background. High contrast improves clarity, but staying subtle often looks more polished. Finally, set the spacing. Increasing the space above and below the divider adds breathing room and helps each section stand on its own, especially on mobile. Too little spacing can make your layout feel cramped, while too much can push related content too far apart, so aim for balance with your typography and images. When your divider looks right, click Save. That's it. You've successfully added and customized a divider in your Mailchimp email. Use this element to guide readers through your message, highlight key transitions, and keep your design tidy and on brand.